This is a 2005 Maserati Quattroporte. It is super reliable and it is super fast. Traction control. And it's for sale on BAT right now. I just wanted to go ahead and walk around the car with you guys to give you a little bit of an update on the cosmetics. So the front, I think in the ad it states there's a bunch of rock chips, but that is false. And it also said the Trident in the front was cracked. That is false. Brand new Trident. No rock chips on the bumper, none on the hood, or the front fenders or lights. There's a little curb rash. Possible previous owner did a repair job to this curb rash, but you can see it through the paint. And then back bumper, there was a quote in the gallery, and it said that there was a bumper cover, various trim panels that were invoiced, but they weren't. So it looks like there was a hit to this part and it cracked the paint right in this section here. So this part of the bumper is affected by being pushed in, either hitting a wall in a parking garage, I can only assume. And there's one small dent right here. This can probably be mended with a little PDR action. And one of the parking sensors isn't working. So exterior wise, those are the major flaws I can fault. On this side, the driver's side, panels, everything look great. It's a beautiful car, and got like 4 days till auction close. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks.